Welcome to Evermentor YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the guest faculty recruitment notification from the two different government universities. And the selection will be based upon the walk-in interview and 1000 rupees per lecture they are going to give. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who wants to try for the guest faculty notification. So share this information to your friends. It might be helpful to them. And after watching this video, if your subject or the requirement is not there, then mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this multiple subjects recruitment notification from the two different universities. And now while coming to the present content of this video, out of the two different universities, first one we are going to see from the Pondicherry University. So from this one, the Department of Computer Science, the two vacancies are available, one for general and one for ST. So minimum qualifications, experience in PG Computer Science teaching at MTech or MSc or MCA level will be considered as an added advantage. So January 11th morning 10 a.m. is interview and the venue is also given in the Pondicherry University. So 1000 rupees honorarium and maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month will be available. So the appointment is purely temporary. Interested eligible candidates may send the scanned soft copies of all original certificates like educational qualification, community certificate, publications if any, experience certificate if any, testimonials, a recent passport size photo and a signed soft copy of the up-to-date curriculum vitae to the following email ID on or before Jan 10th, 2024. So here the mail ID is also provided. The candidate should not be currently in receipt of any other scholarship or the fellowship. And the candidates with teaching experience and a PhD degree in computer science will be an added advantage. Okay, and the application procedure is same, guys, to this subject also. Guest faculty and the history, one vacancy. PhD candidates will be given preference, but PG candidates also can apply with the UGC net. Okay, duration of engagement is academic year 23 to 24 even semester only. 10th Jan is a walk-in interview date and the venue is given. So it's also 1000 rupees and 25,000 rupees per month maximum. And here the email ID is provided. Okay. And in the same way, the same Pondicherry University Department of Sociology, either PG degree with the UGC net or else a PhD. And the engagement is even semester only. So interview date is Jan 10th. Honorarium is same thing. Okay. The appointment is purely temporary. And here they just make a note head.soc @pondiuni.ac.in. and from the same university, tourism studies. Okay, so whoever the candidates belongs to this tourism studies, so you guys can have a look at this notification. Master's degree in MBA or PG in tourism management administration or MCOM with UGC net or PhD. One vacancy for the SC category. So 11th Jan is the interview date. Remuneration is same thing. Okay, and attend walk-in interview along with the original certificates and the recent passport size photograph. So these are all things, guys. And coming to the next one is Kirorimal College from University of Delhi, Statistics Department, one vacancy for the guest faculty position is there. The application can be downloaded from the kmc.du.ac.in. So from this website itself, you can download the application form and then fill up all these details. Of course, application form is also available here. So whatever the PDF I am showing you right now, you can download this PDF from this official college website, that is kmc.du.ac.in. And you need to take the printout of the application form, fill up all the details carefully, attach the necessary enclosures, and you have to send to the Kirorimal College, University of Delhi by register post or speed post on or before 12th Jan 2024. And from the Ramjas College from University of Delhi. So here the college is appointing one guest faculty under the reserved category UR. It means unreserved category in the Department of Botany. So interview is on 15th Jan 2024. And you need to bring all your originals at the time of attending the interview. And any addendum or the curriculum that will be posted in the official website of this college. So these are all the details, guys, and to get the more job notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. All the best to the applicants. Thank you very much for watching the video.